Welcome back to our channel, TechMill Channel. In this video, we will discuss the F-15EX Eagle II, America's terrifying new generation fighter jet. The F-15EX Eagle II is an advanced fighter aircraft developed by the Boeing Company for the United States Air Force. This aircraft is the latest version of the F-15 fighter aircraft family, which has proven reliable and powerful for decades. Updates to previous versions of the F-15 Eagle are being considered with the F-15 Advanced Eagle. Another name for it is F-15-2040C. The F-15X uses Boeing Advanced Eagle technology, known as the out-of-control Super Eagle. It was presented as a replacement for the F-15C. The F-15EX is a multi-purpose fighter aircraft that has superior capabilities in air combat and ground attacks. Powered by a powerful Pratt & Whitney F-100 engine, the aircraft is capable of reaching high speeds with exceptional maneuverability. Its advanced aerodynamic design allows for optimal performance in the air. One of the key features of the F-15EX is the ability to carry a wide variety of weapons. The aircraft is equipped with a variety of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles and can carry bombs and high-precision weaponry for bombing missions. The latest avionics and sensor systems also allow pilots to have high situational awareness, enabling fast and accurate decision-making on the battlefield. The F-15X is capable of firing modern missiles and has an integrated weapons bay. When it was first introduced, it had the longest range of any American fighter aircraft. It works with the newly created AIM-120D missile, which has a range of about 160 kilometers. Also available to the fighter is the newly created AEM-120C3 missile. It can accommodate 12 AMRAAMs. In addition, this fighter has a contemporary AESA radar. Arrivals begin in 2021. The U.S. Air Force intends to acquire 144 F-15X aircraft in all. In addition, the F-15EX is equipped with cutting-edge technology in terms of communications, defense systems, and networking capabilities. This allows these aircraft to operate synergistically in complex combat scenarios, including integration with other aircraft and air and ground control. With a combination of superior combat capabilities, reliable endurance, and flexibility in carrying various types of weapons, the F-15EX Eagle II is one of the leading fighter aircraft that plays a vital role in modern air power. Thank you for joining us in this exciting video. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest information about aviation and military technology. See you in the next video.